What's the situation, Degenerate Nation?
What's happening, degenerates?
Another fun day. We are at Epcot in Disney World. It's not a phenomenal weather day. It's warm. I got shorts on and thick flip-flops. We're still fine. Yeah. It's just kind of crummy. It's not real super sunny, which, you know, we have high expectations for Florida weather here.
Yes.
It's been a little drizzly. You see water on the ground, but anyway, we just happen to be here during the art festival, so we're gonna ride a few rides and check out some art and goof off a little bit. So let's get into some stuff.
We're gonna shop too, honey. We have to do shopping.
Let's do it then.
Let's do it.
Mission Space. Are you going to space?
Uh-huh.
You're here today for flight training, the most thrilling experience that any astronaut candidate will ever have.
Okay, I'm ready to hit a button. They're all lit up. What do I do? Hit them all?
Try and wait for instruction, would you?
I can't.
It's a very expensive aircraft.
But I gotta touch things.
All of us here at Mission Control wish you a safe journey around the planet.
Here we go.
Mission Control.
I don't like this guy.
We have main engine start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Got it.
Computer override initiated.
That's good because there's only 2 of us in here.
Right? Where are we going? Hey, there's another
station should be coming into view.
Oh, that's the space station. Right?
Yo!
Bye!
The In a moment, you'll be crossing paths with another X2, just launched from the Pacific.
Crossing paths? Please get out of my way. Oh, there's the moon, honey.
As you cross into China, you'll pass Beijing, the Great Wall, and we've got reports of a storm brewing over the Gobi Desert.
Well, that's cool.
Yeah.
Passing over the Himalayas, you should have a gorgeous night view of India.
Wow.
By now, you're over the Middle East, and to the left is the Nile River, snaking its way toward Cairo and the Mediterranean.
Wow.
Tonight, there's a spectacular northern light show on your horizon.
Wow.
We're getting reports of a strong storm cell directly in the landing pad.
Excellent.
Okay, listen up, team.
Great.
Change of plans. It's going to be a challenging approach, and we'll need all of you working together. Pilot, initiate landing sequence. Now. Initiated. Navigator, initiate descent. Now. Computer override. Rockets fired. Engineer, expect wings for gliding. Now. Computer override.
Oh, yeah.
Extended. Autopilot. Commander, activate manual control. Now.
You got it.
Computer override activated. All right. Now left. Right. Left. Back to center. Hold it steady.
Oh, nearly got it.
We're going in. We're coming in hot.
We're coming in hot.
Woo!
Down and clear. Mission accomplished. Good work.
Way to go, Krista.
We didn't crash, honey.
That was pretty cool. Someone's space sick. They have too much crap. We're only going to outer space for a little bit. Thank you.
Arms, feet and legs inside the boat. And if you have children with you, please watch them. Gracias.
Bienvenido. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del banco. Y cuide los movimientos.
Creepy thing.
Caballeros, drinking, caballeros, they say we are birds of a feather. We're top the amigos, no matter where he goes. They want to and three goes, we're always together. Caballeros, drinking, caballeros, they say we are birds of a feather. Thanks for coming to the show.
Alrighty, another fun day at Epcot. Weather wasn't perfect, but it wasn't bad, right?
It wasn't bad. I mean, I had a good time.
So since we're season pass holders, if you've watched many of our vlogs, you would know this. If you haven't, please click down below and subscribe.
Yeah.
You like what I see what I did there? That was cool, right? But yeah, since we're seasons pass holders, it's easy to come in, do a few rides, shop a little bit. If you want something to eat, great, and then blow. And you don't have to worry about getting worn out or spending a bunch of money or whatever. It's kind of on our terms, so we dig it.
Yes, I love my Disney.
And it wasn't very busy today, I think. I think
No.
the weather helped quite a bit. We've been here on Saturdays, even with the limits.
Pandemic. Yeah.
It's still been quite busy. And our parking spot is basically over by those trees. So, yeah. I would say our parking space is reflective.
Yeah, they're not even running shuttles to the parking lot because that would be ridiculous.
No, ain't none of that going on right now. All right, man. Y'all be good. Take care.
Celebrate the day.
Celebrate the day.